In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Ethereum to your Cash App account. If you want to move your Ethereum from a wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask into Cash App, this step-by-step guide will make it easy to follow, even if it's your first time handling crypto transfers. First, open your Cash App on your mobile device. On the home screen, tap the icon that shows your balance or looks like a small house. This will take you to the main menu. From here, tap on the Bitcoin option, scroll down until you see the option labeled Deposit Bitcoin, and tap on it. If this is your first time using this feature, Cash App may ask you to verify your identity. Simply follow the instructions to provide your personal details and complete the verification process. Once verified, you'll see your unique Bitcoin deposit address. Tap the copy button to copy this address. You'll need it for the next steps. Now, open the Ethereum wallet you want to use, such as Trust Wallet or MetaMask. In your wallet, select Ethereum as the cryptocurrency you want to send. Since Cash App only accepts Bitcoin deposits, you will need to convert your Ethereum into Bitcoin first. Tap the Swap button in your wallet. In the From section, select Ethereum, and in the To section, select Bitcoin. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to convert, and confirm the swap. Your Ethereum will now be converted into Bitcoin, which is compatible with Cash App. Once the swap is complete, go to your Bitcoin balance in the same wallet. Tap on the Send option, then paste the Bitcoin deposit address you copied earlier from Cash App into the recipient field. Double-check the address carefully, because sending crypto to the wrong address can result in permanent loss of funds. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, tap Next, and confirm the transaction. Your Bitcoin will now be transferred from your Ethereum wallet to your Cash App account. Depending on network speed, the transfer may take a few minutes to complete. After it arrives, you'll be able to hold it, sell it, or use it for payments directly in Cash App.